In this video, I'm going to show you what the different parts of a pocket watch are called. It's pretty simple once you know what they are. So the very first part, the very top part here, is actually called a crown, and it's pretty self-explanatory because it almost looks like a king or a queen crown. And this is actually the part that you want to change the time and actually wind the clock, and I'll show you at the end of this video how to do that. The part that the crown is sitting on top of is called a pendant. It looks like a little stem, and of course it depends what model you have, but they pretty much look the same, so that's called a stem. And then the part that holds the chain, and of course it lifts up, is called a bow. And actually looks like a bow and arrow in a way. Right there, that's called a bow. Of course the back is called a case, and what goes over top of the case is called a bezel. And the bezel goes around your dial, or the time here. The numbers in the body in here. It's called a bezel. And then of course there's the hands. And this whole part underneath the glass where you have the hands and the numbers, that's actually called a dial. Now, in order to wind the watch, you're going to leave the crown where it's placed, and you're just going to go clockwise. So I'm facing my watch now, and I'm going to go clockwise as I'm facing it. Vice versa, if it's away from me, I'll go counterclockwise, right? And so that's pretty much it. That's the different parts of a pocket watch. If you have any questions or comments, put in the comment section. Alright, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe.